to the 5,000 people who have subscribed to my channel. What an amazing milestone, guys. Thank you so much. I mean, I would never think in my life that just posting videos, and that too not regularly, once in a while, 5,000 people would actually subscribe to my channel. Unbelievable. Thank you so much. I mean, I know my channel, I don't think I have made the channel with the purpose of making money, so my videos are very irregular. I don't think I have a schedule. I don't think I post regularly. I don't think I post about a single topic. It's about anything and everything that I want at my channel. It's about topics that I want to talk about. And it's just amazing that 5,000 people have found some or the other video helpful and have subscribed to the channel. So it's been I think I posted my first video 12 years ago. So it's been a while since I've been posting videos on YouTube. I mean, it's been a long time, in fact. And yes, maybe 12 years is a little too much time to only get 5,000 subscribers, but considering I'm not doing it professionally, considering I'm not doing it with 100% of my time and attention, is just amazing. I'm happy about it. And yeah, the other thing is, I'm not sticking to a niche. I'm not sticking to a particular topic. Many of you are here because of my KDM 390 adventure videos. Many of you are here because of my Expulse videos. Some of you are here because of videos about this lovely place, Shillong. So yeah, I've only started posting regularly for about since COVID, I believe. So that would be since 2020. So it hasn't been too much time, maybe 2 years, 3 years. Before that, I would post like a video every once in a while, like maybe once in 6 months I would post a bunch of videos, and that's it. But only since COVID, I started posting about, I try to do at least one video a month. So yeah, that hasn't been great. I mean, I don't have a production crew, an editor, or anything like that. I just shoot, try to keep my editing as little as possible, and post. And these are randomly about anything and everything. So yeah, quick short video thanking all of you who have been along with this channel, with my journey to 5,000 subscribers. I really, really appreciate the fact that you simply hit the subscribe button. I'll try my best to post more videos, so let's see how that goes. Until then, stay safe, keep riding, and enjoy your rides. Bye-bye.